Look at this spike in the reboiler temperature. That's unexpected. Checking the furnace feed rate immediately. Feedstock conversion rates are holding steady at 98%. Good, maintain current parameters for the next batch. Are these meeting the food grade standard? So far so good, the color uniformity is high.
We're reaching the optimal torque for the blend. The resins are fully incorporated now.
Yeah.
Temperature is stable.
Consistency target reached. Wax feed is secured. Batch looks good. Confirmed.
The elasticity looks good. Record the temperature.
Temperature holding steady at 90 degrees. The flexibility reading is at 150 newtons.
Noted. And the elasticity factor is holding steady at 0.98.
Quality check complete on this section.
Automated dosing systems ensure the exact right amount of glucose and sugar every time.
I'm increasing the speed now.
Yep.
Consistency is holding. Looks good.
Elasticity test results are back. 95% stretch. Yep.
That meets the required softness specification. I'll record the data.
The readings from the latest production run are showing slight variations in the flavor compounds.
Yeah.
It's within the acceptable range, but let's monitor the next hour's samples closely.
The chromaticity reading is stable now. Good. We can begin the scale-up phase. Check the viscosity levels on screen 3. Readings are optimal. The mix is proceeding as planned.
The color is almost fully integrated now.
Yeah.
Yes, the consistency looks perfect. Look at the flow rate here, it's stabilizing.
Yeah.
Good, the slab uniformity is consistent now.
The system employs laser sensors for precise thickness measurement, allowing automated adjustments to maintain perfect consistency in the gum sheet.
The temperature in zone 3 is fluctuating.
Yes, I see it. Adjusting the airflow now.
Check the consistency on that sheet right there. Looks good. The weight is spot on for this run.
Utilizing automated precision scoring machines, perfectly measured guidelines are rapidly created across the bubblegum sheets.
The consistency and elasticity look good.
Okay.
Dimensions are within tolerance as well. This batch is approved. How's the tensile strength on this batch?
Okay.
Holding up well. Dimensions are perfect. This detail here meets specifications. Yes, the alignment is correct. I will update the records.